On Thursday, we oversaw the delivery of 6 tons of iron and 1,000 sacks of cement. And this is only a part of the purchases we made this week to help support the construction of the canal in Haiti. This is all possible because of your generosity. So on behalf of everyone involved in the movement, the planning committee, the workers, the organizers, thank you. In order to ensure the highest level of accountability and transparency, every aspect of your support is being made public. How much money you donated, how many sacks of cement have been delivered, the community and the public knows it all. That's the way it should be. For those concerned about the structural integrity of this canal, please rest assured knowing that this project has been years in the making. Under President Jovenel Moïse, the proper experts were consulted to ensure that the canal meets technical standards.
Kanal!